Mel is going to show us how to make a slip knot for crochet. Okay, go ahead. Show us how to do it. Is that awesome or what?
And it only takes like 10 seconds or under. It's actually really fun.
So, how many times did you try to make this slip knot before you perfected it?
Like 3.
And how old are you?
8.
You're 8 years old.
And I never learned to crochet.
And you're going to learn now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do it. So, Mel is going to make a slip knot so she can place it on her crochet hook. Oh, wow. Is that cool or what? Okay. She learned the fine art of knot tying. Isn't that something? Okay.
And just one more.
One more time.
And done.
Look how good that is. Alrighty.
Alright, let's start crocheting.
Let's start crocheting.
Finish.
Okay. So what's the first thing you do when you put your slip knot on your hook?
Hang on a second.
Nah, I haven't showed you how to do this yet. So what do you have to do once you put your yarn on your hook?
I think you twist it.
No,
He said
you got to tighten it.
I told him all I have.
Okay.
So how do you tighten it?
When I was outside walking in the yard when he messaged me, so I just
Oh, you're so good.
Hang on.
we just got done doing
Did you eat chickens? Her sister's eating chickens.
There we go.
Paige wasn't coming now.
That's right.
Well, she didn't.
Okay, let's learn how to do chain stitches. Are you ready to learn how to make a chain stitch on your crochet?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what chain stitches are for?
No.
Chain stitches is to what starts. It's like the floor before you build the house. Okay. So the chain stitch here is going to start building along. Okay?
So you want me to basically push it up and then
No.
to here and then over.
No. What we're going to do is we're going to take not the short one,
Not this one.
not the short one.
The long one.
We want the long one.
The one that basically the one that goes to your ball of yarn, not the excess. Just cut the excess off. Or
Right,
don't touch it.
that's for later. Okay?
Right.
So take the one that goes to the ball of yarn. Okay? And then we're going to put it in between your fingers. So open your fingers like this. There you go. And then bring it so that your hook is close. There you go. Now close your fingers. Okay.
Careful.
Now we're going to take this and we're going to go like this. We're going to bring that yarn through that loop on the hook.
Easy peasy.
Okay, you do that for me. The first one is usually the hardest one. Okay, now you go through the hook.
And do I pull?
Yeah. Whoops. It's got to come off the hook.
Oh.
Okay, so let's pull that one back out. Okay. So when you bring the yarn over, this one's going to come off the hook.
Okay, so basically it has to be right there.
Right there. Okay, so we're going to go here and then take this one and go over the hook. There you go. That's how you make one chain stitch.
Actually, it's 2.
No, well, let go of it. Now, see, you only have one on the hook.
I know there's a second one right here.
Yeah, but that's because it makes a V. It makes a V look. Okay.
That doesn't look like
So go ahead and you try it now. Show me how to do it. Okay. Go over. And then take and bring it over. Whoops.
Uh-oh.
Came off. Okay, so the one that came from the yarn ball. Okay, so hang on. This one that's on the hook. This one right here.
Okay.
You want to take the hook, come around. Here. It's kind of hard to hold the camera. Here, you hold the camera. Am I videotaping still? Okay. Now watch the camera. I'm going to show you what to do. I got my finger right here. So I'm going to take this. Okay? And then I'm going to... Okay?
I couldn't really see that.
Okay. Well, watch the camera. Okay, so I got this one right here on my hook. Okay, so I'm going to take the yarn and come over it. Okay. And then I'm going to pull it through that loop that's on the hook. And see what we got there? Yeah. So, okay, bye.
Well, then you'd have to hold it through your fingers.
See right there? Oops.
You're gonna have to hold it through your fingers, though.
Yeah, see, I hold it through my fingers here.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's your turn, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's stop the camera first.
Okay. I know how to do it.
Okay, go ahead.
Maybe this. Pull it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Like this. And then bring this up.
Yep.
Awesome!
See? What you're doing is you're making a chain. So now do it again.
Do you have it on video right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so try it again.
And the ball is the ball. Yeah.
Do you see the ball of yarn, Paige?
Ball.
Okay, so Paige wants to learn crochet too when she gets older.
Finish! I did it.
Awesome! Look at what you did!
She tapped the ball.
So once you get the idea down, I'll show you how to do it faster. Okay? Is that fun or what?
I know, right? Oh, I did it super fast.
You sure did.
Paige saying faster.
Did you do it?
Yeah. Look at it.
And it looks great.
I know.
Okay?
Maybe one day we do different colors.
Well, when we get better at it, we'll start making things with it. But see, the chain stitch is what they call the foundation. All the stitches work off of the chain. So go ahead and try it again. There you go. Whoops, this one looped too many times. So let's take this one. There you go. Now tighten this one up. There you go.
I said puppy movie.
Sure.
It's a precious puppy movie.
You want to watch a puppy movie?
Yeah, she calls it a puppy movie, but it's actually called Bolt.
Okay, so are you good at it, Mel?
Yeah, a little.
Okay. How about if we do this? Okay. How about if
I'm
you...
great at it.
Okay, so take this off the hook and take it all apart. And we're going to start all over it. Look at that look. We'll start all over again. Wouldn't that be fun?
No.
Why? You're going to show me and everybody else what you just learned.
Alright.
Okay, so take it off your hook.
Hang on. I have a better idea.
Okay, and then go ahead and
Woohoo!
pull it out. Look at that. I know you don't want to do that, do you?
No.
But that's all right.
We'll do some having fun with it, though.
Wait. Hold it right here. Right here where my hand is, down here. Okay, then take this one and pull. There you go. Pull, pull, pull.
Done. Done.
All the way back to the beginning. You go, girl.
That's gonna be hard.